Good morning, guys. It is 4 a.m. on 5th of November. We checked out from our hotel in Kolhapur called the Madhuri Executive, and we'll be heading towards Trichy today. It is going to be 970 kilometers from here, and the journey will approximately take 12 hours. So yeah, hopefully not 12. I think it should take about 16 hours. So we should be reaching by about 10 o'clock in the night. Let's see how much time it takes. The time is 6:40, and we have actually covered about 160 kilometers. I think more than 160. We have actually covered 175 kilometers in 2 hours and 11 minutes. So we got very good stretch of roads from Belgaum till now. I believe we are closing on to Dharwad now because we have crossed Belgaum long back, and now we are closing on to the Dharwad. So we got good stretch of roads from Kolhapur till here, and non-stop we have reached this place. I think restaurants are not open. Kamath is here, but restaurants are not open. We thought we'll fill the tank because we need to travel till Trichy, right? So this is going to be the last filling for this trip because I believe we can travel 800 kilometers in a single tank. So Trichy is going to be hardly another 700 kilometers only. So yeah, that's it. And we have a beautiful sunrise on the left hand side, if you see. Very beautiful sunrise. Yes, we'll be stopping for breakfast in some time now because we are already hungry as we woke up pretty early in the morning. We'll see what we get for breakfast early. Happy to be in Karnataka because we got good idli vada breakfast. Even though yesterday we had from Maharashtra, they take their own sweet time to make. Here it is quick. So as soon as we sit, idli vada is ready. So all other places in the north, breakfast serving and all is little delayed. But once we enter Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, everything is quick. So yeah, happy to be back in Karnataka. Now we had our breakfast. We'll be proceeding towards Trichy. Maybe we'll stop for lunch at Bangalore. And either Bangalore or Tumkur will have lunch. Let's see. The time is 2:20 and we have entered Bangalore. There's a nice road. And the journey is continuing. We had our lunch in Tumkur. There was a bit of traffic on the road. Apart from that, the roads were very good. Now we have entered nice road. I think we'll be reaching Trichy by 8:39. I don't think we'll be taking another break or another food break. Definitely will not be taking. We might take a coffee break later, but still, that is going to be a 15 minutes break. That's it. So hopefully we'll be reaching before 9. Let's see. It's been a long time, like about 10, 12 days, 14 days since we left our home. Today Ganesh will be joining with his family, and tomorrow I'll be joining with my family. And very happy that we are completing another successful trip, though this trip had little more events, a little more eventful trip than the previous one. But still, everything is an experience in life, and we'll take it as it is. See you soon. So we have entered Tamil Nadu now. Crossed Karnataka border, entered Tamil Nadu, and we are welcomed by a decent rain. So we welcome with a decent rain. It's still actually sunny, not that cloudy, but still we are getting some rain. I don't know why. Maybe it's a warm welcome for us by the God. After 15 days we are coming back to our soil. After eventful trip. So maybe actually we are a little happy now. seeing the rain because that's the only thing we haven't seen this trip. We have seen snow, we have seen mist, we have seen
Snow, heavy fog,
heavy fog.
minus 11 degrees, everything.
Then even seen extremely hot conditions. Yesterday was around 42 degrees Celsius. So all the conditions we have seen, only that thing that was left was rain, and now we have it. So yeah, that's it.
Bye-bye.
So as soon as we entered Tamil Nadu, we had a shower, light shower, then we had the sunlight, bright sunlight. Now it started pouring heavily. Yeah, with that we come to the end of this trip. The time is 8:55 and we have reached Trichy. We are going into the lane where Ganesh has his house. So overall today we have driven 944.3 kilometers today from Kolhapur to Trichy. And we'll just stop this car here and then show the speed odometer, and then let us see. Totally we have driven 6,892.9, so 6,893 kilometers in this trip. And see, today we have driven at a speed of 64 km per hour on an average speed, 14.5 hours journey, and we reached Trichy just like 944 kilometers. So that is the end of the trip. Finally Ganesh is united with his family. I still have another day. I'll be staying with him tonight, and then I'll be heading towards my, which is another 300 kilometers away. And in one way we are very happy to be back without much problems after the kind of stuff we encountered in Chandratal. But it's been a good trip. We'll be going for some more trips going forward. Next year is going to be a break. I mean, we're already reached 2021, right? So about to reach 2021. So 2021 is going to be a break time. We'll be doing small trips here and there. Those videos we'll be posting. But there's a major trip that is coming up in 2022, which we have yet to decide. Which we have to decide yet, because we are thinking to drive in another country. So it might be either we travel there by flight and then take a car for rent and then drive there, or we might drive from here itself. That is not decided. So that will be decided later based on the research and based on the budget that we have with us. So that's it for now. Have a good day, good time. We actually enjoyed it. Enjoyed this trip. I believe you people would have enjoyed our trip. I enjoyed watching the trip. Watching all those roads to Chandratal and all the national highways that we have. But first thing would be like thank you for watching
us, for subscribing
to our channel.
Thank you so much.
And
for our viewers, especially for our viewers.
Yeah. So thank you very much, and
support us every time.
Yeah, please support us
in all our trips.
We'll see you soon with some more updates. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Welcome by Cheer Girls.
Thank you. வெற்றிகரமாக இமாலய பயணத்தை சிறப்பாக முடித்துவிட்டு வந்துவிட்டோம். Super, thanks.
So this is the stuff we bought. Fine.